In this video I'll talk about comparison operators, so relational operators in Python. So in Python we have like 5 relational operators. It's like equal, not equal, greater, less, greater or equal, less or equal, and so this one. So equal, so this one is not the same as assignment operator, because this one will return, this all of them will return true if result true if the expression is like right, and results false if this expression is results wrong. Expression is wrong. For example, when we can print it like this, example 5 is equal to 5, and it will be maybe, and if we say 5 is equal to 6 and print 5 is not equal to 5, 5 is not equal to 6, or 5 is greater than 6. 6 is greater than 5. For example, 5 is less than 6. For example, 5 is less than 5, and so on. And for example, 5. And also it can take several, in contrast of C++, Python can take several like lines of the several like expressions like this. For example, C++ will just accept, but it will not it will just calculate wrong, because in C++ this one will be same as 1, so it will just return true or false. It corresponds to the 1 and 0 in integer, but in Python it will work. For example, we can just run it, and this one has the false. Here in C++, if you run this expression, it will be true. This equal statement, it's not the same as the one equal symbol, the assignment statement, because assignment will not return boolean. It will just assign something to the variable, it will save the value to the variable, but this one will just will not do anything. Then the like comparing, it will compare and result true or false. It will not write anything anywhere. So we can also this relational the results of this these comparison operators to the boolean value, like this. Example boy is equal to this one, and we can just print the b. It should be true.